Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 3:15 p.m. At 2:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harrisville to near New Holland to near Gap, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Westchester, Pottstown, Phoenixville, Coatesville, Downingtown, Birdsboro, Collegeville, Royersford, Parkersburg, Trapp, Honeybrook, Schwenksville, Elverson, Green Lane, New Morgan, Cochranville, Putown, Marshallton, Spring Mount, and Leonville-Markwood. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 323. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 8. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery. Here is